Welcome. If you want to get Magic Fluids wallpaper on your LG Velvet, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. And right here you have to tap on search and type Magic Fluids. Here you have to pick up this application from the Mad Scientist, click install. And right now we can open this application. And here we have to tap here and tap to set as a live wallpaper. We can here go for the settings and just set up other things. But if you want to get it, click apply and wallpaper has changed. So right now we can check how it looks. And as you can see here we got our live fluid wallpaper. And I think it looks amazing, and I think that you are going to enjoy it also. We can try to also on the lock screen, and as you can see here it is also. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!